Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making bottle gourd halwa or lauki ka halwa. For this we need bottle gourd, clarified butter, fresh cream, rose water optional, and milk. This is 2 liter milk. I have reduced it to 1 liter. So firstly, grate the bottle gourd. This is around 300 grams of bottle gourd. So we have grated the bottle gourd. Now take a pan, add 3 to 4 teaspoons of clarified butter or ghee. Let it melt. Now add the grated bottle gourd. Now mix it on medium flame. Cook it for 5 to 6 minutes till the moisture of bottle gourd will evaporate. So it's almost 6 to 7 minutes I am cooking this bottle gourd. Now we will add reduced milk. This is around 1 liter of milk. Mix it well and on low flame mix it continuously and cook till this halwa is thick. It will take around 6 to 7 minutes. Now you can see our milk is thickened. So put on high flame and stir continuously for around 2 minutes. Now again put it on medium flame and put 1 teaspoon of rose water. Mix it well. Now add fresh cream, half a bowl of fresh cream just to give richness and creamy texture to our halwa. Mix it well. Now add sugar as per your taste. Now mix it and cook for another 1 minute. And after 1 minute, your very delicious lauki halwa is ready. So try this recipe, and for more such recipes, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.